Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is I'm going to disable the Wi-Fi for this. We're going to turn off and turn on the mobile data. And after turning off and turning on our mobile data, we're going to go to network and internet. Here we have preferred SIM. If you have two SIMs, first we have the mobile data. So I'm using it from Virgin Mobile 1. So this SIM card right here at the top. What are we going to do is we're going to switch the preferred network type to LTE, 3G, and 2G auto. It is very important because you want to see if there's any difference between LTE and 5G. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go and here we have the Wi-Fi calling. We're going to make sure that we enable it. And after enabling Wi-Fi calling, what we're going to do is go to access point names at the bottom. Here we have our internet. Now we're going to click on it and click three dots. This card, as you guys can see, there should be an option to just easily reset it, but as you guys can see, I just cannot find it. So there's probably just no way that you can delete the APN, but of course you can rename it, and now your internet won't work. We're gonna click OK, and now it's finally saved. It's probably the same as deleting. We're gonna click reset to default now, and as you guys can see, we got it back to internet. So we resetted our APNs. What are we gonna do now is we're gonna go over and turn off our airplane mode. And after that, as a last resort, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to my device, click on DCAUI, and we wanna make sure that we are on the latest version. So if you're not, you can then easily have some more glitches on your phone, and I wouldn't recommend it. So make sure that you update your software regularly, and that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. That's how you guys can fix your mobile data. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.